mine. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I do it for you, and that's how you do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home which are talking to you, but then you ignore them still. All these questions, they're forming like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. Welcome to the room of people who have rooms of people that they love one day docked away. Just because we check the guns at the door doesn't mean our brains will change from hand grenades. You loving on the psychopath sitting next to you. You loving on the murderer sitting next to you. You think I'd get it sitting next to you. But after all I've said, please don't forget. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. We don't deal with outsiders very well. They say newcomers have a certain smell. Yeah, trust issues not to mention. They say they can smell your intentions. You loving on the freak show sitting next to you. You love some weird people sitting next to you. You think I did not get here sitting next to you. But after all I've said, please don't forget. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. Why'd you come? You knew you should have stayed.
Pas mal la nature, non? Vous entendez? Ça, c'est les oiseaux, la rivière. C'est chouette, hein? Le top. C'est un quad. La rivière, la nature, les chevreuils et les ours qui jouent à cache-cache avec moi dans les hautes herbes. Vous avez des Todomatsu, Akamatsu et Karamatsu. Ce sont des pins en fait. C'est que des pins, mais il y a plusieurs variétés de pins. Bon, ben on continue. Plein de traces de pattes de chevreuil. Et moi je suis à la recherche des traces d'ours. Et elles sont là. Oh putain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 griffes. Il y a un ours qui est passé par là aujourd'hui. Vous savez comment on repère s'il y a des chevreuils dans les parages? D'abord, les traces de pas. Petite patte avant, grosse patte arrière. Patte arrière. Et ensuite, les feuilles. Les feuilles sont à moitié mangées par les chevreuils. Les feuilles qui sont retournées comme ça, c'est que ils ont bouffé la tige. Normalement, la feuille est comme ça. Et donc, ils mangent la tige qui est là. Et donc là, on voit que ils ont mangé la tige. Vous voyez ?
Не спишь, и у детской кроватки тайком ты слезу утираешь. Я люблю глубину твоих ласковых глаз, как я хочу к ним прижаться теперь губами. Темная ночь разделяет любимая нас, и тревожная черная степь пролегла между нами. Верю в тебя, дорогую подругу мою, эта вера от пули меня темной ночью хранила. Радостно мне, я спокоен в смертельном бою, знаю, встретишь с любовью меня, чтоб со мной не случилось. Смерть не страшна, с ней встречались не раз мы в степи. Вот и теперь надо мною она кружится.
Yeah, look, you know I'm a motherfucking born winner. いっするときはがる恋人が